Kenny Lujan. I'm taking apart this main gear gaming computer here at Lima Community College for digital connectors. And first off, we're going to start by taking off the back panel screws. This is the inside of our gaming computer. This is our cooling unit, our video card. These over here are RAM. They come out. They only go in one way for the pins. To insert it back, you just slide it in and it snaps into place. In here we have our hard drive and our CD-ROM in here. To take those out, you pull it up, take off the other side gaming panel. On this side, you disconnect the hard drive, you disconnect the power, you disconnect your cable to your CPU card. Pull it out.
Now what's the hard drive for?
To store your memory.
Store your data, you had it right.
That is a Western Digital 1 terabyte hard drive. I didn't get this out last time. Oh yeah. To remove your CD-ROM, you have to take off the screws that hold it in place.
Mr. Lujan, what are we exactly looking for?
The screws to take off the CD-ROM. This is our CD-ROM.
Are those components in all computers?
Yes.
These are components that are in most computers. Your hard drive is in. You can run a computer without a hard drive, but you won't be able to stay. On the insert side of our computer, we have our video card over here.
Did they answer your question?
I can see it from right there. Yes, Mr. Adams.
So holds down your video card in place. This is a VisionTech Radon HD 577 video gaming card. This is the heatsink that keeps it cool. This is our motherboard. This is our heatsink, and under this heatsink is our processor. To access your processor, you must remove the screws and heatsink. This is different on other computers.
Man, so we're getting cameras like this. These have like 59 hours.
allowed to go up there to the office.
Today?
She won't be there till after 3. After 3 today or Monday.
Maybe we like 7 times. Not fair.
Who, me? I made you do it like 7 times.
67 hours.
Where? You have all of them chicken? Twice.
Stop.
It could almost be a third time.
I told everybody not to cheat with something 10 times.
Because she has 67 hours.
What's that?
So what are you removing again?
The heatsink.
What does that do for the computer?
This keeps the processor cool.
And if it doesn't cool it?
Your motherboard will fry itself. That is our processor. Hard drive last time.
Mike.
Where? I'm doing business. Hurry up.
Right now, we're putting in the heatsink back in
What's today?
so the motherboard doesn't fry.
Hey, your laptop.
Oh, I'll bring it Monday. Are you going to be here?
Hey, mister.
Bye. Do you need a ride?
No.
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
You got it?
Now what do we do?
Play.
Like,
You found the file, right? Then I want to copy the file to this.
or I'll let you do it. You're better.
Hi.
Hey, Tyler, what to do? Long time no see. You get here, you know. What do you do?
Then I'll keep shooting. So then,
Did they give us for this one?
We have 3 for our office.
Really?
All 3 that they're using over there will be ours. Or the,
No, we got better. Not on the Mac one.
Did we get it off the map? Did it have an extra one there?
No, it's like done it.
maybe they'll have
Mine
to.
wasn't.
you know how to do that, right?
Oh, okay, I see. I don't go on there. So like, say,
You have two different ones, why?
Because they also took pictures.
Otherwise, we can just use the building part.
Right, we're actually just put one video. We can run this one video.
what are you trying to do? Where have you been?
No, what are you going to say now? I
Reconnect the heatsink to the power source. Just slow.
You want that better?
Oh, that one, huh?
Put our video card to the
I gotta feel like somebody was here. Somebody sit here and act like Luis.
I think
We
you're
don't have
the,
anybody with white hair.
I think you're the perfect man for the job. You're closest to his age.
I'm not even close. 97.
He's almost too old. He's like 3 years old.
No, it's not.
You act like Mr. Luis is in the Stone Age.
Now as we lift up our computer to reinsert our hard drive, start the terabyte hard drive from the side.
You want it better? Angelo, the truth hurts, okay?
There it is.
Rehook up your power supply and your cables that run to your motherboard.
I was there for like 50 and she paid me for 2 hours.
Really?
Reinsert your CD-ROM.
No, the sister I work did it.
The office is
You should ask the question. Hey, what's up?
We're not there. Louis in
Hey,
now.
Rihanna.
Oh, you killed it.
Hey,
No.
you need to put one Presto.
So you completely took it apart.
Oh.
Yeah, except I didn't pull out the motherboard.
You know, every time on my meal, we make it.
She stepped down. Huh? Oh.
Don't touch me. You're gonna accuse me of stuff. That's not how you do it.
That's how I did
Write
it.
2 lines.
I did it.
No.
And we put our covers back on.
Because it looks more professional than on the screen.
Stab you in the face.
Here, total. Just say your prayer. Jude and Lena, can you please report to the principal's office? Which is over here. Noah.
The boss's office. They already left.
Jude!
What?
Come here!
Hold on. They're filming.
Oh, sorry.
No, they're not. They're playing games. They're filming. They're playing games.
Already done.
Oh.
Lena.
That's my girl. I got to tell on you.
Good job.
Yeah.
Keep on killing them.
I'm gonna take 7 dudes over there.
That's how, that's how you make more mistakes. And then that's how you attack, defend, and run away. And that's how you move. Okay.
See, what's up with that sword? You just like
No, just balls. Where? Did you have a sign?
This one.
Did you leave?
Run outside. Why is there music playing? There was no music when we were doing it. I don't know, makes the scene cooler.
Whoever edited it.
Looks like a really bad timeline.
We did, but why did
That works.
Did you hear it?
That's how you take a breath in your
Good job.